Hello friends, I am Saili. Today's video is regarding the new schedule in ITR forms, Schedule DI, that is Details of Investments. So, we all know that the government has extended the last date for filing income tax return of financial year 1920 to 30th of November 2020. And for those who were not able to complete their tax saving exercise by 31st of March because of COVID-19 lockdown, the government has also extended the date for making tax-saving investments for financial year ending March 20 up to 30th of June 2020. So, we need to fill the details of investments made during 1st of April to 30th of June pertaining to tax saving of financial year 1920 in our ITR filing. I will show you how to fill the schedule in ITR 1 online. I have already opened ITR 1 here. In this computation of income and tax tab, you will find the option that whether you have made any investment, deposit, payments between 1st of April to 30th of June. Here, first you have to fill the entire details which you have made the investments, and then if when you enter the details, this tab gets enabled. Hence, if you have not made any investment during this period, select no. Then you have to select yes if you have made any investment during this period. If you select no, you don't have to fill schedule DI. And if you select yes, go to schedule DI here on the top. Here you will find the amounts which you have already filled there, and you have to fill this column wherein it is said that deduction attributable to investment expenditures made between 1st of April to 30th of June. You have to fill this column out of this total amount which investments you have made during this period. Hence, please note that you have still time till 30th of June to make the tax saving investments if you have missed it by any chance, and then file the return accordingly. For more updates related to income tax and e-filing, please subscribe to my channel. If you like my video, please like, subscribe, share and comment below. Thank you.